Now, you will see another expert is doing made by my assistant and my little sister, I mean my big sister, Jamie and Janicio. They will do one more, the last. That's the stunt doing of the expertise, the last man, the finale.
Look at this.
It's
A solid stick.
a solid,
a solid stick.
amazing.
Then, this girl, the lady in pink, will cut it into two again.
Current two.
Oh!
You
That's
see
so
that?
fast!
That's so fast, man. I mean,
She did
I couldn't
so
even,
fast.
I just see it, man.
Yeah.
I can't even figure it out. They cut it. Yeah, man.
Shock.
It's shocking. But no, yeah, let's see the previous. First, our first time, this thing cut into half. And the
By-
other side is
By just blowing air.
yeah. The other one here is a thing just like the first one, but it's more harder than you think.
More harder. More harder.
It is the one that is swift by air.
Okay.
I'm an assistant.
Yeah, by
What? Okay, do it there. Okay, you go there and then you do whatever you want to do.
Hindi ka baba muna. Bala dyan.
Okay, whatever. Okay, let's continue the recap
Oh,
of
yeah.
what we've been doing.
Here, the first stunt, the other piece. I cut this solid, large width, large height. Yeah.
0.5 by 2.
Yeah, for far, by 2. Yeah, cut it like this. Yeah. The second one is this thing. My assistant here,
Yeah.
Ryan cut into half by his breath. I mean breath or anything else. That. So the experts, man, must respect us. And,
Yeah, the last one. Yeah. Did you see this? These pieces of wood.
yeah, here.
Yeah.
And the
Girl over there.
girl,
The girl over there.
break into two pieces.
The girl over there breaks this into two pieces, but there's a big reaction. It's broken into pieces. So many pieces here right now. Just reminder, kids, don't do this at home. It's not good to do this at home because it's just for experts.
Experts like us.
Yeah, like us, because
Like
they're
us, they're
experts. They're experts.
But assistant,
Yeah, and the assistant and
the boss.
The boss. Our
The
boss.
manager, yeah.
Yeah, my manager. He's the one who teaches us all these stunts.
Yeah. I don't know how to do this.
Until he teaches us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The amazing
Yo, man.
lake reaction. Yeah.
Yo, man, that's the end of the file.
Yeah.